Hey guys! Welcome to my channel, and for today's video, I'm going to share this new item or product na meron ako. I'll be doing the unboxing. So alam ko naman nakita ninyo ang aking thumbnail, and this is all about Annke or wireless doorbell. So it's up to you how do you say it, Annke or Annke, so it's up to you. So this is the sample photo ng product na to, and for now, I got it. Okay, I got this product few weeks ago. Pero kung mapapansin ninyo, ayan, wala pa talaga, hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. Kaya, ang thumbnail ko is all about unboxing ng product. And for now, yeah, this is going to be my first ever wireless doorbell. So, it's kind of like para siyang CCTV na rin. Pero syempre, ibang product naman ito. So, if you're also excited, let's do this and let's unbox. Guys, so this is it. This is the box kanina. Ayan. Oh, ayan yung mga box. So, we have here, of course, ito na yung product, which is the Wiffle Video Doorbell. Ayan yun. So, Annke or Annke. So, this is how it looks. May onting kabigatan. And, this is also the flat mounting bracket. Ayan. Tapos, meron tayong 3 meter na or 3M tape. And then, we have the doorbell chime, the screws, and also the pin. Andito yung pin niya, removable pin, and also the cable. And, of course, we have manual para if ever na kailangan natin. Ayan. Ayan, what's inside the box, which is andito naman lahat, as you can see. And then, ayan, nandito yung mga function. Ayan. Para aware naman din kayo, how does it look? Ayan, yung numbering. And we have here. So, andito din naman how to set up your doorbell. So, of course, the next video, it also contain how to set it up, this item, para naman you have the tutorial video for this. But for now, this is it. And thanks so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye!